All right, welcome to 1-2 multi-step equations. This is part 1 of part 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over what the difference between an expression and an equation is. So let's give an example of an expression. An expression is something that looks like this: 3x plus 5. What does it contain? It contains numbers, such as the 5 or the coefficient 3. It contains variables, such as x, and it contains operations, such as multiplying, such as the 3 times the x. Even though we don't see it, they are multiplying. We can put a dot there if we want to, or addition. So what can we do with expressions? Well, not a lot. We can essentially simplify them. Now, simplifying includes things like using the distributive property or combining like terms. An equation is something that has an equal sign. It has all the same stuff as an expression, but that's the key thing. It has an equal sign. So I'm going to say same as above, but also an equal sign. So now we can put an equal sign. We need to put something on the other side of the equal sign. We have to say what this equals. So let's say we know that this equals 11. Well, now we can figure out what this x equals. That would make this true. And that's solving. We can solve an equation. Okay? So let's talk a little bit about solving an equation. Solving equations is, well, the goal of solving equations is to find the solution for the unknown variable. And that number, the solution of an equation specifically, is a number, or in some cases it can be multiple numbers, okay, that makes the equation true. All right. So one thing you need to be able to do is be able to check to see if a number is a solution of an equation. And to do that, you want to plug in or substitute the number for the variable and see if both sides are equal. If the variable appears more than once, you want to plug it in for all the places where the variable exists. So again, to plug in the number for the variable and check if both sides are equal. Okay, so which of the following is a solution of the equation? 3x minus 2 equals negative 11. Does x equal 3 or does x equal negative 3? So this gives us an opportunity to try checking. So let's write down the equation, but not put a number in for, or x we're going to take out and we're going to put a number in its place. So 3 times something minus 2 is equal to negative 11. So that number, let's try 3. Let's see if it's true. So that would be 9 minus 2 equals negative 11. Is that true? No. That's 7 equals negative 11, which is not true. All right, let's try the other number. 3 times, in this case, I'm going to plug in negative 3. This is this one. Minus 2 is equal to negative 11. So let's check. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 minus 2 is equal to negative 11. Is this true? Yes. Negative 9 minus 2 is negative 11. So this is true.